horizontal parabolas work pretty much exactly the same way as the vertical ones do, except they're opening left or right instead of up or down. You still have your vertex right there. It's still halfway in between the focus and the directrix. The directrix will be an x equals line instead of a y equals line with the vertical ones. The other big difference you notice is the x minus h is over here and the y minus k is being squared. If it is positive, if p is positive, then it's going to open to the right. If it's negative, then it's going to open to the left. So let's look at one of these. Write the equation of parabola with focus 8, 3 and directrix of x equals 2. So I have a focus of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 right there. That's my focus at 8, 3. And directrix at x equals 2 right there. X equals 2. I know that my vertex is halfway in between there. That's a total of 6 spaces. And halfway in between would be 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3 right there. So my vertex is going to be at 5, 3. So that's my vertex. And my p-value is still this distance. It's opening to the right. I'm going to eat the focus. It's not going to cross over the directrix. My p-value is 3. So my equation is going to be x minus 5 equals 1 over 4 times 3 is 12. Y minus 3 squared. Let's look at another one. This one, I have a focus of negative 5, 4. So that's going to be this way. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go up 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. So focus is at negative 5, 4. And my directrix is at x equals negative 1 right there. X equals negative 1. And I know that my vertex is halfway in between there. That's a total of 4 spaces. Or you could look at from negative 5 to negative 1. That's 4. Halfway would be 2. So my vertex is right there at negative 3, 4. So this one's going to open up to the left. So I know that my vertex is at negative 3, 4. I need to find my p-value. The first thing I need to notice about my p-value is that it's going to be negative because it's opening to the left. So my p-value is going to be negative 2. And my equation will be x plus 3 equals negative 1/8. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Y minus 4 squared. Let's flip it over. All right, I have an equation now, and I want to find the vertex, focus, and directrix from that. I have a vertex at positive 2, positive 3, and I have a p-value that is equal to 2. So I can come over here to my graph and say my vertex is at 2, 3, and my p-value is 2. All right, so a couple things to notice. The x being first or the y part being squared is telling me that it's going to open left or right. The p-value being positive means that it's going to go this way. It's going to open to the right. So I know that I'm going to count 2 to the right to get to my focus. So my focus is going to be at 4, 3. And my directrix will be to this direction at, what is that? It's the y-axis, or x equals 0. Lastly, I have this equation. I have my vertex at 4, 1, and I have a p-value that is equal to negative 3. And I can come over here and draw my vertex right there. And my p-value is negative 3. So the x is first, or the y part's being squared. I know it's going to open to the left. So it's going to look something like this. So I'm going to count to the 3. 1, 2, 3 right there. That's going to be my focus at 1, 1. And my directrix will be 1, 2, 3 in this direction. And that is x equals 7.